How can we make AI useful for industries to automate their time-consuming manual workloads? Can AI emulate multifaceted human intelligence to deal with real-life complexity, especially for visual AI? Is the current massive labour-intensive data labeling approach, namely deep learning, the way to go? Let's hear what our expert says.
But which approach is best for you? Deep learning or heuristic? Let's first look at deep learning. Deep learning uses statistics to learn and recognize patterns. A system is given many labeled images or training data to form a model before unlabeled images are given to it to analyze. Deep learning is a more sophisticated type of neural network, and both of these are forms of machine learning. Deep learning can be used if we have lots of data. Take, for example, identifying if objects are dogs. We have lots of pictures of dogs, and of things that are not dogs, that we can label and give to a system. After it learns these pictures, we can give it new pictures to determine if they contain dogs or not. However, due to the large amount of data necessary, this can take a long time. On the other hand, heuristic systems use rules to solve problems and make judgments. Therefore, they are often called rule-based systems. The rules are based on trends, experience, or common knowledge that would take deep learning systems time to realize. Heuristic systems are useful when data or time is limited, or there are many variations. Take, for example, detecting slips and falls. As they can look very different, a heuristic approach would be suitable. The rule could be for the image of the person to change from a vertical to horizontal aspect within 3 seconds. Such rules, however, would have to be carefully constructed so as to include all possible variations. The limitations of both approaches give rise to a third approach, the hybrid system. This is a combination of deep learning and heuristics, using the best approach for different parts of the task. The hybrid system was developed to lessen computation and allow quicker deployment. Hybrid systems can be used when there is limited data and time, and can also detect complex patterns and behaviors, such as a luggage trolley being abandoned in an airport. Heuristics is first used to identify that an object has been abandoned. The Wildfaces system can do this even when there are passerbys. Deep learning is then used to classify that object, a bag in this case. The Wildfaces system is a unique blend of deep learning and heuristics. Because of this, we can help you achieve accurate results with minimal learning time and data, turning complex problems into simple ones.
Wildfaces' mission is to help industries to use WildAI technology as the core of their AI foundation platform on which they can build more use cases automating their manual processes. WildAI has pioneered visual AI for drones, walking robots, and wearables. WildAI uses hybrid AI approaches based on the founders' 70 international patents addressing crowded and complex real-life situations, such as the crowded railway stations and airports. Wildfaces topped Gartner's list for the most comprehensive industry use cases twice, and it's proven 300 plus AI modules have been successfully deployed in 75 smart cities.